Hello, and welcome to yet another technical webinar by Terra Volcanica Research Club. My name is Alex Mishkovich. I'm the president and CEO of the company, and joining me on this call is our project geologist, Sam Bond. Today, we're going to be presenting results from the last Cumavici hole, Cumavici being one of our three targets on the Via Gorzani project in eastern Bosnia. As you can see, we have continued to intercept high-grade mineralization close to surface, in this particular case, over 550 grams per ton silver equivalent, close to 5 meters in thickness. I want to remind everybody that the phase 2 drilling program, which was completed last year, also featured drilling conducted at our secondary target called Brezheny, which is a polymodal target containing gold skarn on surface, epithermal mineralization halfway through, and then obviously intercepted porphyry at the bottom, but more about that in the upcoming news releases. At this point, I'm going to hand it over to Sam, who's going to tell you more about the significance of the latest intercept at the Cumavici target.
Thanks, Alex. Just take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the forward-looking statements disclaimer that we have here. And we will move on to the technical part of the presentation. So today we're going to be talking about Cumavici, as Alex has introduced, and I'll start by saying that it's located within the Cumavici license, and the particular drill hole we'll be talking about today is about 7 kilometers west of an existing mine, which is called the Sasem mine, producing about 330,000 tons of concentrate lead, zinc, silver per year. And it's very similar to what we're currently exploring and defining up in Cumavici. The Brezheny target, which is a copper porphyry target with a gold skarn, which starts from surface, is located about 11 and 12 kilometers down to the southeast there within our Olovina license area. If we zoom into the Cumavici license, so far drilling has been predominantly at the Cumavici Ridge target here, and we've also made a drill hole discovery at Joshua in the 2022 drilling, which is 2 kilometers to the southeast. However, we think about Cumavici as more of a corridor. So in the magnetics, you can see linear magnetic lows trending northwest-southeast for over 7 kilometers. And this is matching high-grade rock chip samples and soil geochemistry on surface, which has given us sort of a range of targets that we can follow up on in the Cumavici license. So just looking at some of the rock chips we have here, 128 grams per ton silver on surface and almost 13% lead zinc combined. And over at Seotsa here, we have 20% zinc in a rock chip sample on surface. These locations have not yet been drill tested, but gives us upside to build the tonnage required in these epithermal vein systems. Up at the Cumavici Ridge location, you can see the drill holes that we've completed so far to date, with today's release being Cumavici 1 here, which was 4.8 meters, 551 grams per ton silver equivalent, and that commenced from just 11 meters below surface. The vein system is dipping towards the southwest and remains untested down dip, and it's also open up to the northwest, up towards where we hit mineralization 600 meters along strike up here. You can see that we have a 10-meter interval and an 11-meter interval here, and we believe that is because we're at a fault intersection here, which has provided a dilation space for the fluids to infill and created thicker mineralized intervals in this area. And we hope to continue this mineralization up to the northwest this year, 2024. If we move into a drill hole section now through the 2023 drill holes through here, you can see that we consistently hit massive sulfide mineralization, which we know crops out at surface here in this topographic low. And it's dipping off down to the southwest, where we've hit it with a number of drill holes, including 3.8 meters at just under 500 grams per ton, a thinner intercept here, but with the 1,168 grams per ton silver equivalent. And as I said before, it's open down dip to the southwest. So this will be followed up on in the coming drill season. Looking at the makeup of some of these, you can see that they're all consistently high grades of silver equivalent here, and they're all very shallow intervals that we've been testing this year. It's key to note that these are from the previous section located at Cumavici Ridge, and these drill holes here including 1.1 meters at just over 350 grams per ton silver equivalent, are located over 600 meters along strike length to the northwest. Those drill holes in the northwest are located here, up on the Cumavici crest at the top of the hill. This is the Cumavici Ridge here, and you can see this linear magnetic low follows between where we've hit mineralization at the ridge and at the crest location to the northwest. Now, this area of untested ground provides us with an optimal exploration target for our 2024 drilling, which we'll be planning and executing this year. Again, it is open down dip to the southwest here. And with that, back to you, Alex.
This was very concise and informative. Again, just to recapitalize one more time, Terra keeps on confirming average grades of about 500 grams per ton silver equivalent and above over approximate thicknesses between 5 and 10 meters of massive sulfides and associated polymetallic mineralization at this particular Cumavici Ridge target. Keep in mind that we also have, as shown in slide number 3, 5 other targets along this 7.2 kilometer corridor, therefore providing Terra with a truly amazing opportunity to keep on adding those critical tons of this shallow polymetallic high-grade silver mineralization. Just to remind again everybody that last year, or actually in 2022, we drill tested and confirmed mineralization at Yosheva target, which is itself 2.3 kilometers to the southeast from Cumavici Ridge. We are very excited to carry on adding to the existing mineralized horizons at Cumavici by testing both down dip and along strike towards the northwest. Drill test targets such as Chumbornica and Seoce and Kazani as well. And of course, I want to remind everybody that in the upcoming press releases, we'll be turning our attention towards Brezheny, another star target on the Via Gorzani project. And obviously, we'll try to highlight all the good things that we have intercepted during the 2023 phase 2 drilling. Until then, keep on following Terra Volcanic on social media, our website, www.terrabresources.com, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you very much, and so long.